Hello, if you're watching this, means you're watching my cleaner property management system setup. Yes, people use Guesty, use other software as a service softwares to make this happen, but I was able to use Spreadsheet to create a system, an automated system that makes it possible to manage your cleaners and make sure that you don't get low sub ratings when it comes to cleanliness, because I've seen that that's a problem for most guests and also most hosts when it comes to listing on Airbnb. So to move to how it works, so basically this sheet will be connected to your Airbnb listing. There's something called an iCal URL. If it's gotten from your listing, it's integrated into this sheet, and what happens is that it populates the sheet. On sheet A, it actually shows the bookings. So automatically, if you have like 3 bookings just like in this sheet, it shows you the name of the guest, shows you the necessary details, the apartment that they are in, and this actually gives an idea to the sheet on how to delegate cleaners to clean these places when a guest checks out. So this is done manually, this particular sheet 3, because you know your cleaners, you put in their numbers, put in their WhatsApp, put in their emails and their names. So with this information, it populates into this place automatically, because this is the particular tab that assigns task to each cleaner. So, and when this task is assigned, it's also linked to their Google calendars and their mails. It sends them a mail directly when this task is assigned. And the way this works, just like there are 3 cleaners here, it does it in rotation to make sure that everybody gets equal delegations. So this is the sheet that shows how many rotations have happened. So I simulated it on 15 here. The number here is 15. 15 means 15 cleanings have happened so far, and 5 per cleaners. So to put it in action, I'm going to trigger this. Ordinarily it's set up in a way that every 7 o'clock, it's when guests check out. So when a guest checks out 7 o'clock, it triggers the in this sheet automatically because of the connections with Airbnb, and it sends a mail across to the cleaner that is assigned for that day to go and clean the place. So but to do it manually so that you could see it in real time, I created a button. So if I click on this send cleaner notification now, I'm going to receive a mail, and this actually sends the mail across. I will show you the mail right away, just in a minute. Okay, so when the mail is sent, it gives you indication that it has sent, which is shown here and here. So to check it, this is where it sends the mail to this my particular mail. So you could see this mail. I'm yet to open it, and this is it. So it shows you, hello Bob, you have a cleaning scheduled today, listing apartment A, date Wednesday December 17, 2025. Please confirm when completed, thanks. So that gives insights to the cleaner that, oh, I have something to do today, and this is also connected to their Google calendar. So you could see that one of the cleaners is Bob, so this is Bob's message. Yeah, so I'll show you the other sides of it. The next side of it is the daily snapshot. So due to design, I imagine this sheet is so populated with a lot of data, and you are now like, okay, you want to see a specific, maybe you want to go back a certain day to see what happened in a certain day, right? maybe you want to make sure you clarify some things. So there's a button here that this app, by the way, this is the daily snapshots, so it gives you that ability to go in, get to see what happened in a certain day, whether somebody did the task they should do or they didn't, so that you'll be able to keep track. So if you say refresh daily snapshot, if you click the button, it gives you what happened on the 17th of December. So it shows you that Bob and Kara are yet to finish up their cleaning. Yeah, because if they did, just like the mail said, it will confirm that they did, and I will update this sheet and show that that they have done it. And it also can be automated, to show when they did it or when they didn't. So that is what happened for 17th. That's today, 17th. So if I want to show you that this works, tomorrow is 18th, there's no cleaning that has been scheduled for tomorrow based on what data in the sheet. So if I click on 18th and click on check daily snapshot, there's nothing here. So it shows you that it's going in to pick data and show you what's happening in real time, for you to know if something happened or not. While this feature, this is the calendar view. So this feature, let me clean this up so that you see how it works. So this is the calendar view. The calendar view is more like giving you like a mirror of what's on the Google Calendar, so that you don't need to go to the Google Calendar to see what's happening there. You see, so it shows you what's happening on the Google Calendar from 16th to 17th, because that is corresponding with the schedule of the turnovers. And also, as you can see, 16th, 17th bookings happened on 16th and 17th. Checkout is happening on 17th, so you could see that is corresponding. So that is how this sheet works, and it's automated and also needs a bit of human integration, but mostly hands off, so that things will work smoothly. Yeah, and I believe this will help to manage cleaners and also help increase the sub ratings of cleanliness on your listing.